This is the washroom door that they removed because it could not close properly and there was gap between the frame and the door. So when they removed it, here is the electrical installation, and that's weird because the electrical installation was with the beam of the door. Now if you see here, this is the precast. There you can actually see this the bars, the steel bars as they call it, and they're actually coming out here. So this is a part of the precast which looks to be of a very weak quality. So I'm wondering if the whole house I mean is like this, with this kind of a quality of a precast. If so, then the house is not safe to live in. I mean, at nights we are very afraid. We think that the house might come toppling down if ever there's an earthquake. So I hope the authorities make sure that they repair this the right way. I mean, this is not a house that is worth 4 million for sure. Now this part of the precast is not bad, but this part is really bad. And you see, these guys removed it. It's so close to the switch, so the wire should be straight ahead there. Should be straight ahead there and there. I mean, not in the part of a beam or something. I mean, this is really dangerous and ridiculous. And if you go down here, that's where the electrical installation is, and look how it's put. Now, I have requested that they put in a pipe that is continuous, but they want to just tape it. And I said that's not possible. Because if you look, the electrical wire is out already. Is that a professional work of a qualified electrician?